staying ahead in the fast-paced world of technology. Hi, and welcome to my channel. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying up to date with technology isn't just a hobby, it's becoming a necessity. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, the tech world is transforming faster than ever. Let's explore how technology changes and discover practical ways to stay informed. Current technology trends. Key areas of transformation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to transportation, integration into everyday applications, extended reality, XR, virtual, augmented, and mixed reality advances, impact on education, work, and entertainment, sustainable tech, green energy solutions, eco-friendly innovations, Web3 and blockchain, decentralized applications, digital assets and cryptocurrencies, impact on daily life, smart home integration becoming mainstream, remote work technologies, evolution, digital health and wellness tools, AI-powered personal assistants, automated financial services, connected transportation systems, how to stay updated. 1. Digital resources follow tech news websites, TechCrunch, The Verge, Wired, MIT Technology Review. 2. Social media. Follow tech influencers and companies, join tech-focused LinkedIn groups, subscribe to YouTube tech channels. 3. Learning platforms take online courses, Coursera, Udemy. Join webinars and virtual conferences, participate in tech communities. 4. Practical tips. Set up Google Alerts for tech topics, subscribe to tech newsletters, listen to tech podcasts during commutes, experiment with new tools and apps. Remember, staying current with technology doesn't mean mastering everything. Focus on understanding basic concepts, identifying relevant trends for your field, building a continuous learning habit, being adaptable to change. The key is to make learning about technology a regular part of your routine. Start small, stay curious, and keep exploring.